flour. Mix it in very, very well until it forms crumbs. It's crumbly like our bread crumbs. Pour in our sugar into the mixture. We add a pinch of salt to the mixture, and then our nutmeg, half of a sachet. Then last but not the least, we are going to add our milk. This is 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, not liquid, powdered milk. It doesn't mean you cannot use your liquid milk, but when you use your liquid milk, take into consideration that you add less water. So now I'm going to add the water to it. Another thing I need to bring to your notice is you can do without egg in your chinchin. If you're going to take the chinchin or you're going to keep it for a longer time, you can make it without egg. Just add more of the milk. To my chinchin, the texture as it is now is perfect. Just look at the texture, everything has come together. So I'm going to work it on my table now. Coming up, it's trying to compare it with the other one. You see that it's white. And why? Another reason why you keep stirring, please don't just leave it on the fire and go away and say you come back for 10 minutes to check it. You will see that the down will be brown, the up will be white. You need to constantly turn it with your frying spoon, so everything will come up golden brown. Keep turning it. Within the next 2-3 minutes, you'll bring it out.